Hello and welcome to this DaVinci Resolve video. I'm going to cover a couple of shortcuts here which I think are useful. These videos are for the learner, the naive and the stupid. I fit in all three categories, particularly the last one. You can decide which ones you fit into. The few that I'm going to show you, which are the copy and paste ones, which are available in most applications now. Copy and paste is the definitive shortcut that most people use. So let's get on and have a look at a few here that may be useful for you. The first copy and paste I want to try is a simple copy and paste at the level of your project opening window. So if I want to, for example, copy this particular project, I will just highlight it. I will then hit Control C and that will actually copy it. And in order to paste it, I'll just go Control V. So it'll put this by the side of the untitled project. I can right click this and rename it to New Light, say. And we've now got that available for us to use, and this can be clicked on and opened up, and I'll show you now a couple of more useful copy and pastes. Two more copy and pastes here. The first one is probably the classic copy and paste, and that's common through most applications, and that's the Control C, Control V, select the object you want to copy, place where you want it to go in the whatever the application is. This is DaVinci Resolve, so it doesn't change in here. So let's say I want this clip to the right hand side of the video one track. I hit Control C to copy it. I take the cursor where I want it to go and I go to Control V and it places it there, and that's fine. I may want to place it on this particular timeline here, on this video track here, video 2 track. In order to do that, I've got to get this video 2 track in focus, as it were. So in order to do that, I defocus or switch off the auto track selector for video 1. And this is on at the moment. If it was off, you would switch it on. So I place the cursor where I want this to go and I hit Control V to place it there. And that's two very simple copy and paste there. I didn't need to hit Control V again because I'd already copied it, and that's how that works. Let me just get rid of those and go to another one which is a little more sophisticated, and it's one which actually will increase your productivity. So let's, for example, I'm in this clip and I want to add some effects to it. You can use as many as you want. I'll stick with just one. I'm going to use a zoom blur here, which will give this a kind of a dreamy sequence by putting that zoom blur. Well, I think it's a dreamy sequence anyway. And let's say I want to copy that to here. So what I'll do is I'll go to here and I'll go to Control C, and where I want it to land, I click on it and I hit Alt V. This brings up the paste attributes. If these are on or off, depending on the situation you're in, you can define exactly, and you can see there's all sorts of different video attributes and real-time effects here and so on. So it's fairly granular there. It's up to you to decide how and what you want copying. I'm just going to apply the lot now just to prove that it's actually gone to this clip here. So you can see that's copied and paste that onto there. So you can see they're very useful copy and paste. So that's about it. That's all I want to cover. I hope they have been useful. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I look forward to creating some more simple steps to do this. Just let me finally say why I do it this way is when I'm in my learning curve, I sometimes go to some fantastic providers of this content out there, but it may be part of an 8 or 10 minute video. In order to find a bit I want, I'm trying to keep this as small and as granular as possible so they're easy to access. So take care for now, and bye for now.